Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we have an interesting question on the board. Solve for x. And the question is 2 times 4 raised to the power x is equal to 32. There are two ways we can solve this problem. Now I'm going to take the first method and thereafter take the second. So solution. So the first method is that we can divide both sides by 2 to get rid of this 2. So here we have 2 times 4 raised to the power x. This is equal to 32. So let's divide both sides by 2. So we divide here by 2 and we divide here by 2. So this 2 will cancel this 2. 2 into itself is 1. 2 into 32 is 16. So now we have 4 raised to the power x is now equal to 16. We can express 4 as a base 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by x, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, we are allowed to multiply this exponent. So here we are going to have 2 raised to the power 2x is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Since the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. So here we are going to have 2x is equal to 4. Now we can divide both sides by the coefficient of x so that we can get the value of x. So we divide both sides by 2 and divide here by 2. So now x is equal to 2. This takes care of this. 2 into itself is 1 and 2 into 4 is 2. So x is equal to 2. That's the first method. Let's check out the second method. So for the second method, I'm going to express 4 as a base with a power. So I have my 2 times, here I have 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x, okay? And this is equal to 32 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 5. All right. So here I have 2 times 2 raised to the power 2x, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power 5. Now here, according to the law of indices, we'll take one of the base and add the powers. There is an invisible power 1 here. So now I'm going to have 2 raised to power 1 plus 2x, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power 5. And now because the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. So over here, we are going to have 1 plus 2x is equal to 5. Now to get the value of x, we have to move this one over here first. So now we are going to have 2x is equal to 5. When 1 crosses over, it becomes minus 5 minus 1. So 2x is equal to 4. So getting the value of x, we divide both sides by 2. This takes care of this. This cancels itself 1. This into this is 2. So our x is equal to 2. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And drop in the comments, which of these methods do you prefer to work with? Is it method 1 or method 2?